Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to remove the background of any image in Canva Pro Video Editor in just few simple steps. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Canva Pro application. After that, click on plus icon and here search for YouTube thumbnail. You can select any other size, it doesn't matter whatever you want. What size are you selecting? So I click on YouTube thumbnail. These are other templates or sizes, you can select any one. I click on YouTube thumbnail. So after that you have to click on image and click on upload here. Click on it and here you can upload the file from which you want to remove the background. As I have already uploaded my image, so I will just click on image and it will be added in the canvas. So from here you can adjust the size of image whatever you want. After adjusting the size, click on image and after that click on effects. And here you can see BG remover option available. But keep in mind this option is only available for Canva Pro users. If you are not using Canva Pro application and you are using only free version, then this video would not work for you. For this, if you want to buy Canva Pro in very cheap price on monthly or yearly basis, then you can contact us on WhatsApp. We have provided the number. You can contact us and we will provide you on monthly or yearly basis in very cheap price. By the way, you have to click on BG remover. Click on it and you can see our background of this image has been removed very accurately. You can see it has very finely removed the background. For your convenience, I will try another image, so I delete on it and again click on uploads. This time I will use this image and now adjust the size whatever you want and click on effects and after that click on BG remover. So you can see Canva has very finely removed the background of this image and the quality of the image is very high. After removing the background, click on export button from here and now click on downloads. And from here you can select the size. If you want to export the image without background, then click on PNG and transparent background and then click on download. And now our video has been exported successfully. So now I want to show you my video, my image. Click on it and you can see Canva has exported my image very accurately. In this way you can remove the background of any image in just few simple steps in Canva Pro Video Editor. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.